In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson Stylus NX110 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux tablet, laptop, or PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson Stylus NX110 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results will come back with an Epson domain. This is Epson Stylus NX110. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down here, underneath operating system, click the drop down, select your version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. And then going back down, again on the new page, select the driver and utility combo package download. And then once it's on your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. It should be a signed verified publisher from Epson. Select a yes. And it says this file contains the Epson Stylus NX110 and NX115 drivers and utility combo package. It says click OK to continue, so that's what you're going to do. You want to go ahead and click on OK, and then proceed with the guide as you see on my screen. It's a pretty intuitive process from here, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.